In the vastness of the universe, there are many stars scattered in the night sky, each of which has a secret. But among them is one star that stands out, a celestial giant that has attracted the attention of astronomers and enthusiasts for centuries. This star is Betelgeuse, a red giant in the Orion constellation. Its brilliance is only matched by the mystery that surrounds its destiny. What if I told you that Betelgeuse, this huge star, is about to explode, a supernova that could change the world as we know it? The thought alone sends shivers down the spine, as the project is not a matter of if, but when. All the signs are there: strange darkness, erratic behavior, and the deep gaze of telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, all focused on this bombshell in the sky. What happens when Betelgeuse reaches the end of his life? Has the Earth touched? Will we witness one of the most spectacular planetary events in history? Let's delve into the mystery of Betelgeuse and explore the possibilities ahead. Betelgeuse is not just any star. It is one of the largest and brightest stars in our galaxy, with a radius more than 1,000 times that of the Sun. If Betelgeuse were at the center of the solar system, its outer surface would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. Its massive size makes Betelgeuse a red supergiant, a type of star in the final stages of stellar evolution. Betelgeuse's journey from a hot young star to a bloated giant as we see it today is a world story. In the past, Betelgeuse has been seen by many peoples. For example, the ancient Greeks considered it one of the most famous stars in the night sky. It is not only a celestial object, but also a cultural symbol associated with gods and mythology. In scientific circles, Betelgeuse is the most famous star. Early astronomers such as Tycho Brahe and Galileo Galilei later made observations to help us understand its properties. However, it wasn't until the 20th century that Betelgeuse's appearance became known. The development of powerful telescopes allowed astronomers to study the star in detail, revealing its large size, unusual contrast, and red color that set it apart from other stars. Advances in telescope technology over the past century have allowed scientists to look further into the universe than ever before. Betelgeuse, with its red flares and erratic behavior, is an important subject for study. In the 20th century, Betelgeuse's brightness variability was one of its characteristics. The star is classified as a variable star, meaning that its brightness changes over time, albeit in a predictable manner. But in recent years, these changes have become less predictable and worrying for scientists. The star's brightness has dropped to levels never seen before, and there are fears that its life is nearing its end. The role of the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, in the study of Betelgeuse cannot be overstated. Launched in December 2021, JWST has given scientists a level of information unimaginable before. Its infrared capabilities allow it to see through the dust clouds that hide red giants like Betelgeuse, revealing what is happening on the surface of the star. The data collected by JWST is important to understanding the recent activity of the star and helping scientists piece together the puzzle of Betelgeuse's impending supernova. One of the most important events in the study of Betelgeuse is the big phase in 2019 to 2020. During this period, Betelgeuse's brightness decreased significantly, by about 60%, an event without precedent in the modern galaxy. The depression was so obvious and visible to the naked eye that it caused great concern in the scientific community. Many wondered if this was the beginning of the end for Betelgeuse, an early warning sign that the star was about to explode in a supernova. The first sighting of the Great Dimming sent shock waves through the astronomical community. Scientists from all over the world tried to observe this star using all the instruments they could. Theories for the cause of the dimming range from a variety of objects from the star's surface to the appearance of large, cool spots on the star, similar to sunspots. But there is much more. Some say that Betelgeuse is hidden by a cloud of dust coming from the star. Understanding what happens during a supernova is important to understanding the fate of Betelgeuse. A supernova is one of the most violent events in the universe that marks the end of a star's life. When a star like Betelgeuse runs out of nuclear fuel, it cannot support the weight of its energy. As the core collapses, the outer layers of the star are thrown into space with tremendous force. The result is a supernova, an explosion so powerful that it can outshine the entire galaxy. large stars like Betelgeuse have a shorter life cycle than smaller stars like our sun. Betelgeuse is estimated to be 8 to 10 million years old, making it an infant in cosmic terms. However, its large size makes the fuel burn faster. Thus, his life has come to an end. The exact timing of a supernova is hard to predict, but all the signs are there. Betelgeuse's size, temperature, and current behavior indicate an imminent explosion. If Betelgeuse goes supernova, the effects on Earth and space will be profound. Although the Betelgeuse-sized supernova is more than 600 light-years away, it is visible during the day and obscured at night. The explosive light is so strong that it can last for weeks or months. For astronomers, this is a once-in-a-lifetime event that provides an unparalleled opportunity to study a supernova over time. The potential impact on Earth, while not catastrophic, will still be significant. A supernova radiation explosion can disrupt satellite communications and affect Earth's atmosphere. However, Betelgeuse's distance from Earth means it protects us from other harmful effects, such as direct exposure to harmful radiation. On a larger scale, the Betelgeuse supernova will have a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. Supernovae are responsible for creating many of the heavier elements in the universe, including those essential for life. Betelgeuse's explosions help in this process, shaking up the surrounding space with elements that give rise to new stars and planets. Currently, Betelgeuse is being observed by astronomers around the world. Data collected by the James Webb Space Telescope and other observatories will be analyzed to better understand the behavior of the star and predict when a supernova will occur. Although scientists are certain that Betelgeuse will explode within the next 100,000 years, the exact time is still a mystery. Some believe it will happen in our lifetime, while others think we will be around for thousands of years. It is certain that Betelgeuse will remain at the center of astronomical research for years to come. The sudden behavior of the star and the potential for a supernova make it one of the most interesting objects in the sky. As technology advances and our understanding of stellar evolution deepens, we can unlock Betelgeuse's secrets and witness one of the most amazing events in the universe. After all, Betelgeuse is not just a star, but a cosmic mystery that has fascinated scientists and astronomers for centuries. Its large size, erratic behavior, and the threat of a supernova make it one of the most fascinating objects in the night sky. As we continue to study Betelgeuse and the instruments themselves, we will come closer to understanding the mysteries of this great star and the universe at large. Whether Betelgeuse explodes tomorrow or in 1,000 years, it will undoubtedly be one of the most important astronomical events in human history. And when it happens, the world will watch.